In this video, I will guide you on how to add Samsung Internet to lock screen on Galaxy device. First, go to your home screen. Now press and hold on any empty area. Here, select the option of Wallpaper and Style. On the next screen, you want to locate your lock screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to tap on the circle icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you're going to find different options. Scroll down until you get to the Apps section. Here, find the option of Browser, which is Samsung Internet. Go ahead and select that. Now, this is how your lock screen is going to look like. As you can see at the bottom left corner, Samsung Internet has been added to your lock screen. Now, to confirm this change, you want to tap on the Done option at the top right corner of your screen. Here it says Changes has been applied to your lock screen. And that's it. In this way, you can easily add Samsung Internet to lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy devices. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.